everybody, it's Lyn from LynzCraftz Designs. I'm coming back today with a kind of demo for the Pandahall Selected. I'm gonna do a Indian style charm bracelet using the Buddha heads, one of these little happy Buddhas right here, and then the however you say that, hand. Hamsa. Anyway, I've got 5 of the glitter beads, the ones that I've been working on all week. So, 5 of those that I just put a seed bead on the end, and then strung them on head pins. So I've got 4 head pins, 4 jump rings, and 4 of the tiny little Pandahall Selected charms. Thank you so much to Pandahall Selected for sending me these. I love these. It's so cool. The weight of this it's amazing. They're really nice quality. Okay, so I'm gonna set this up and I'll be right back. I've just got 2 pair of jewelry pliers. These are just my longtime favorite friends. This one is just these are what's called a ring nose pliers, a chain nose pliers. These are a flat nose pliers. These still have the springs in the handle to make them bounce back open. These don't. I've had these probably, you probably can tell, I've probably had these 12 years maybe. Alright, I'm going to take one of these head pins. Plain, simple, just a head pin. I'm going to thread the little Buddha head on. Now, weirdly enough, that's all I'm going to do to these charms. Because they're charms and I don't want anything that will distract away from the fact that they're charms. Now that I just said that, maybe we could put a seed bead at the top. Hold on. Alright, these are just some of the same seed beads that I used on the bottom of the glitter beads. These are, they're just seed beads from Amazon. So I'll try to remember to put a link. Okay, now once again, you want to grip the rest of that head pin. You don't crack that little glass bead. Alright? Grip it with your index finger, using that as a gauge for where to cut off the rest of that head pin. Alright. Fold it up, then continue the roll. Alright. We'll repeat that 3 more times, and I'll be right back. Okay, now we've got the charms, and we've got the jump rings. One towards me, one away. One towards me. Alright, so I'm going to pick a spot in between these 2 and put one of the little Buddha heads. because I like those. When it's closed enough. If I can't stick my fingernail in there, that jump ring can't come back through. Right? That's cute. Alright, I'm going to add the rest, and I'll be back. Alright, now last one. Alright, I'm going to pick a halfway. Alright, I picked what I thought was halfway and then put the jump ring in, then held it up. Those two jump rings are at the same spot, so that is directly in the middle. Alright. Can't stick my fingernail in. It's done. Oh my goodness, look how cute. I love those glitter beads. I'm sorry, I'm a sucker for sparkly. I love it. Oh, so cute. Thank you so much to Pandahall Selected. These are so cute. Just love them. Adorable. Oh, yes, they are. Adorable. Alright. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll have the Pandahall Selected link below. I'll have a coupon link below. The rest of my social media links, my Amazon shop that I get a little kickback from, my Etsy shop that's closed right now, the rest of my social media links. I'll try to leave some, like, glitter links and stuff like that at the bottom. Okay? Thank y'all so much. Bye for now.